In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your Canon Imageclass MF3010 printer with a MacBook. Remove the protective tape. Next step is to just lift this section up. Now we have to lift this cover. So first remove this protective cover. Now take the ink toner out from here. Remove this orange protective cover. Remove the orange seal. Now you have to pull this ring out. So just take it out from here and just activate the ink toner. Make sure the Canon and the cartridge 125 is written and it has an arrow mark, so it goes like that inside. So we place it here. So once it is installed properly, you can just press it down, it will close itself. Switch on your printer, so press the power button. Plug it in at the back, so that's a place here. First we will connect it with the MacBook, then we will add drivers in the MacBook, then we can do the printing and scanning. So let's do the setup. Your printer comes with the USB cable. Connect one end to your printer at the back and the other end goes to your MacBook. Now go to your MacBook screen. Open the web browser and type in Canon Imageclass MF3010 driver Mac. Select the Canon website with your printer. You will see your Canon printer. Scroll down. Click softwares and drivers. Automatically it will detect if it's a Mac. Select the operating version. Once you select it, it will display the list of drivers. You can just select any one of that. Click on the download. Open it. Continue the installation. Click on the close. Move to bin. Next step is to add the printer. Go to the system preferences. Click on the printers and scanners. We have to add the printer, so click on the plus button. Select Canon MF3010 multifunction USB. Wait for the add button to appear. Once it is there, click on the add. You will see on the screen the main printer is showing up and we are ready to use it for printing and scanning. Let's do the scanning. For that, click on the scan. You will see there is an open scanner option. So before we open that, we have to place a document for scanning. Lift it. Place a document you want to scan facing down here. Click on the open scanner. Scan is done and it is transferred. If you want, you can save it or you can share it. So let's save it in a greater DPI, so you can choose the DPI. You can just select the area you want to keep and discard any other area. Select if you want it as a JPEG or PDF. You can give a name to the scan, so that is HP. Select where do you want to keep it, so that's on the desktop, and click on the scan. Now it's going to actually scan and save it. Before it was the preview. Close this window and you should be able to see HP PDF. So that is the scan. Next step is to print. Select any document you want to print from here. In this window you have to select your printer. It should automatically come up here and then click on the print icon. Let's see the print result. So here we can see the print quality. This way we can do the complete setup of this printer with a MacBook, and then we can start using it for printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.